All right, so in laying out this control panel, so this is a Vapor Honing Technologies machine, but Rapid Metal Fab has played a part in doing the fab work and also some of the automation work that is contributed to this machine. So first off, things to look for whenever you're looking at any type of automated system. You always want to separate high voltage, meaning your high voltage AC, from your 24 volt DC or 12 volt DC, 10 volt DC, whatever that case may be. But over here, as you can see, we have proper fusing, this being a 60 amp fuse for this whole machine. It then goes to a distribution block, which then distributes all of our 223 phase power. Then after it's distributed, it goes to a circuit breaker, and then it also goes to all of our loads that are going to be controlling every single aspect of motion for this machine. All of our motion is high voltage, 223 phase AC. On this side, we have our 24 volt DC power. So all of this is going to be maintaining all the controls for this whole machine, meaning the PLC down to any type of communications components, and also any type of relays, solenoids, things along those lines. So any key thing when you're building a panel like this, you always want to make sure that everything is completely organized. Like I said, separation of different types of voltages, powers, amperages, things like that. You always want everything to be nice and neat. As well, all the way down to the wire marking for each wire. Notice that in our wiring here at Rapid Metal Fab, we wire everything and then put labels on each, literally at the end of every single ferrule. That way all of our labels always line up and they're always legible to the customer.